Hello, I'm Dr. Kunal Gupta. I'm a pediatric dentist at Children's Dental Center, Gurugram. I've been working as a pediatric dentist since last 18 years and at the center for last 12 years. I have recently come across a toothpaste by Atomy. This is a nice toothpaste which is being brought up by this company, and two important properties which it has is definitely one is fluoride content, that is it has 1000 ppm of fluoride, and secondly it contains propolis. Now propolis is a good ingredient because it is antibacterial, and research has shown that propolis being added to the toothpaste helps in reducing the number of bacteria, thereby preventing dental caries. And I have personally used this toothpaste and found that the flavor of this toothpaste is comparable to other kids' toothpaste. That means when kids use this fluoridated toothpaste, a toothpaste which contains 1000 ppm of fluoride and with a good flavor, they will definitely not avoid using a fluoridated toothpaste. So I would strongly recommend this toothpaste for all the children. So talking about the toothpaste, I've also come across the toothbrush by this Atomy company. Now this toothbrush is unique in the sense that the bristles of this toothbrush is impregnated with gold particles. The tip of the bristles are impregnated with gold particles, and the benefit of this is that gold having antibacterial properties, the toothbrush doesn't accumulate bacteria from our environment while it is being stored in between our brushing periods. So this toothbrush is also a good brushing aid along with the toothbrush by the Atomy company, and I would recommend both the toothbrush and toothpaste for all the children.